Okay, so what is probability? In a daily life, we come across the words like probably, likely, maybe, chance, and hope. All these are synonyms to probability. That there may be raining today, right? There is chance to come head on top. There is chance to come tail on top. All these are, what all these are? Probability. So what is probability? Probability can be defined as numerical method. It is a numerical method of measuring uncertainty. You know what is uncertainty? Which cannot be predicted. जिसको predict नहीं किया जा सकता. Like we cannot predict that it's raining today or not, right? Okay. That uncertainty, for that uncertainty, we used to do numerical calculation. This is called probability. Getting everyone? So let's come upon experiment. Experiment is defined as an action or process that result in well-defined outcomes. Whenever you will do any action, right? This is called experiment. Like if I'll do, if I'll toss a coin, this is my action now. So this is called experiment. And this experiment will give some result. Okay. This experiment will give some outcome. That is whether head will come or tail will come. Right? Head or tail are the outcomes. Clear everyone? Now next topic is random experiment. Random experiment is an experiment in which we know all the results but cannot predict them. Like if I'll throw a die, I know all the results that 1 will come, 2 can come, 3 can come, 4, 5, 6, right? Ludo die, you know, no? In that Ludo die, you know very well that all the results can come. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? But we cannot predict that which will come. 1 will come or 2 will come. 3 or 4. We don't know, no? We cannot predict the results, no? That's why we can call it random experiment. We can call it well done. Very good. So what are the examples of performing a random experiment? Like, very good. Okay, keep quiet now. What are the examples? First one is rolling an unbiased dice. If I roll a dice, unbiased dice, that will be random experiment. Tossing a fair coin. If I toss a coin, that will be also random experiment. Drawing a card from a pack of well shuffled cards. There are 52 cards, no? From 52 cards, I will draw one card. No, that will be also a random experiment. Picking up a bowl of certain color from a bag containing bowls of different colors, right? Like if I pick a bowl, in a bag, there are so many bowls are there, right? Of different colors. When I'll pick any one of them without looking into it, this is also called a random because I don't know which bowl I will get, right? Random means randomly. You don't know the result, okay, but you know the outcomes. You know the outcomes, but you cannot predict them, okay. What are outcomes? Outcomes are results of experiment. What are the outcomes? Results of experiments. Very good. What is event? Combination of all outcomes. Okay. When you combine the various results, no, many results you got from an experiment, right? When you combine them, this is called an event. Clear? So these all are the definitions which can be asked in one mark question, MCQ format. Okay, you must know about it. Next is, see this picture. It's too beautiful, no? Deck of 52 cards. You know how many? In a deck of cards, you get 52 cards. You know very well, no? Total cards are 52. Have you played any type of cards? You play the game on cards, no? In that you can see that there are 52 cards, but students make sure that 26 cards are red and 26 cards are black. Okay, 26 of them are red, 26 of them are black. Okay. Now just quiet everyone. See, from 26 red cards, 13 are of heart and 13 are of diamond. You know very well. And 26 black, 13 from 13 club are there from 26 cards, and 13 spade are there from 26 cards. You know na? Yes or no? Okay. Okay. Heart 13 cards, diamond 13 cards. Okay. So let me tell you one thing. If 13 cards are of red color, see, if 13 cards of red color, from that 13 cards, one will be king, one will be queen, one will be jack, one number will be 10, one will be 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and you can call one as ace up. Clear? So, from 13 cards, all these cards used to come of heart. King will be of heart, red color, heart. Queen will be of heart, red color. Jack will be of heart, red color. 10 will be of heart, red color. Like this only. Like this, all are like this only. Okay, diamond. Diamond also, one will be king, one will be queen, one will be jack, 10, 9, similarly till ace. Clear everyone? For club also 13 cards are there. King, queen, jack, jack, 10, 9, 8 till ace. Clear? And similarly for spade. So students, if I'll ask you that how many red cards are there, what will be your answer? 26. Okay. If I'll ask you that in red card, how many of them are heart? 13. Well done, very good. If I'll ask you that in red card, in heart, how many of them are jack? Heart, jack. In heart, jack is one only, no? Yes, very good. But if I will ask, my question to you is, listen to me carefully, everyone. My question to you is, if I say I want 8 number card, 8, okay, of red color, how many are there? Because 8 of red color are 2, no? 1, 2. Like first one is this, second one is this. Okay, 2. If I'll ask, I want ace card. Ace means egg, 1. Okay, one of black color. 2 cards are there. Very good. Okay. If I'll ask, how many face cards are there? Students, listen. King, queen, and jack are considered as the face cards. King, queen, and jack are considered as the face cards. So see everyone. King, queen, jack. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So total face cards are 12. Very good. Well done. Well done. Very good, all of you. If I'll say I want red colored face card, 6 are there. Very good. 6 cards are there of red colored face cards. Getting? So like this only cards question will come. Okay. So this is the description of previous topic only. Again, I have done in this slide that in a pack of deck of 52 cards, there may be divided into 4 suites. First, 13 suits cards each. First one will be spade, heart, diamond, and club. Okay. In that, like this, grouping is done. Clear? We have done in the previous slide also. Coin. What is coin, you know? You can see over here. See, this is a coin. If I'll toss a coin, someone is disturbing. Please mute yourself. Just mute yourself. Yeah, good enough. If I toss a coin, there are two chances, students. Or head will come or tail will come, right? These are the two faces of coins. This one is first face, this one is second face. Clear? So two faces are there. And if I toss a coin, how many times head will come? One time only. If I toss one time the coin, right? So this is coin. You must know about dice also. You know what is dice? Like this only we used to throw the die, no? On die there are six numbers. One, two, three, four, five, six, right? So let's come upon the questions. Okay, before starting the question, students, I want to tell you that probability, formula for probability. Students, formula for probability is equals to favorable outcome, FO means favorable outcome, divided by total number of outcomes. T total, O means outcomes. So this is the formula for probability. Clear everyone? Okay. A coin is tossed. What are all possible outcomes? Okay. If you toss a coin, two outcomes you get. We get two outcomes. That is head or tail. So we will get two outcomes. That is head or tail. Very simple. So answer will be head and tail. Okay. So the question was, when a coin is tossed simultaneously, what are the possible outcomes? Outcomes means result. When we will toss the coin, we will get either head or tail. या तो head आएगा और tail आएगा. A die is thrown. What are the possible outcomes? Obviously, for a die, there will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total 6 outcomes can come. And outcomes are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, if you will toss two coins are tossed. What are the possible outcomes? When you will toss two coins, on one coin head can be there, on other also head can be there. On one coin head and other tail can be there. On one tail, other head will be there. On both tail can be there. Right? So four outcomes will be there. When you will toss one coin, no, two outcomes are there, no. But when you will toss two coins, multiply it by 2. So total outcomes will be 4. Total outcomes will be 4. So for one coin, two outcomes are there. For two coins, four outcomes are there. Clear everyone? Yes or no? Very simple, no? Yes. Simultaneously means parallelly, collectively. From in one hand I'm having one coin, in other hand I'm having two, and I'm just throwing them parallelly. Okay, at the same time. Okay. Now the question is, from a well shuffled deck of 52 cards. There is deck of 52 cards. One card is drawn. What is the possible number of outcomes? Obviously 52 cards are there, no? So total chances will be 52 only. 52, right? When you will throw a well shuffled deck of 52 cards, and when you will draw one card from it, the total possible outcomes will be 52 only. Because total cards are 52 now. Total cards are 52 or not. So total results can also be 52. All of you just keep quiet, huh? Otherwise students will not able to hear my voice. Now, next. In a single throw of a coin, what is the possibility of getting a tail? Okay. Okay, when you will throw the coin, what will be the possible outcomes? Two. That are head and tail, right? Head and tail. Clear everyone? Okay. In a single throw, I want a tail. Tail can come one time, no? Tail can come one time. So one will stay at numerator. And total outcomes are two. Two will be at with denominator. We know the formula, no? Favorable outcome will at numerator and total outcomes will at denominator. So formula will be favorable outcomes divided by total outcomes. Clear? Okay. So 1 by 2 will be the answer. Students, make sure whenever you will find probability, whatever you have to find, no, like I have to find the probability of getting a tail. So for the chances of getting a tail will be at numerator and total chances will be at denominator. This is the formula only. So I want to find the probability of a tail, no. So answer will be 1 upon 2. Clear? Okay, coming to the next question. In a single throw of two coins have thrown. Find the probability of getting both tails. Okay, students, first of all, let me tell you the chances. When you will throw two coins, no, four chances are there. On both the coins, head or head can come. On both the coins, tail or tail can come. On coin, tail and other coin, head can come. On one coin, head and other coin tail will come. There are four possible chances, right? Total four possible chances. So what you have to find, both tail are only one, right? One chance of getting one both tail. But total chances are 1, 2, 3, 4. So the answer will be 1 upon 4 because for tail you have to put at numerator and total chances you have to put at down numerator. So you have to find both tails. Both tails are one only. One option is there. So both tail, one option is there. One will come numerator at numerator and 4 will come with denominator. So 1 by 4 will be the answer. Clear? Okay. So students, second question is at least one tail. What's the question? At least one tail. At least means कम से कम. कम से कम एक tail तो हो ही. उससे ज्यादा भी चलेगा. देखो, count करो. Let's count how many outcomes are there with minimum one tail. In this one tail is there. Okay, this will be selected. In this also one tail is there. This will be selected. In this also one tail is there. Even two tails are there. So this will also be selected because we want only one tail. It doesn't matter that it is more than one tail. There are two tails, no? It can also be selected because at least means minimum one. And more than one can also be there. But head and head, no tail is there. So this will not be selected. So selected outcomes are 1, 2, 3. Three outcomes are there. And total are 1, 2, 3, 4. So total are 4. So the probability will be 3 upon 4. Clear everyone? Hope you are getting what I'm saying. Yes or no? Sure, no? Very good. At the most one tail. If we want only at most one tail. At most one tail means maximum one. That's it. No other tail. Okay, maximum one means this one. This one also selected because here in its one tail is there. But in this, two tails are there. This will not be selected because we want maximum one. But in this, more than one is there. So this will not be selected. So selected outcomes are 1, 2, right? So the probability will be 2, 2 upon 4. That will be 2 upon 4 will be 1 upon 2. Well done, everyone. You are so nice. Very good. Let's start with the next question. What's the question? See,